Welcome. Today we will learn about the word also. This is a very useful word in English. Let's begin. The word also means to or in addition. We use it when we want to add more information. It helps us connect ideas together. It makes our sentences more interesting. Let me give you an example. I like apples. I also like bananas. See how we used also? It shows that I like both fruits. The word also adds the second thing I like. Here is another example. She can sing. She can also dance. This means she has two talents. She can do both things. The word also connects these two abilities. One more example. We have a dog. We also have a cat. This tells us they have two pets. The word also shows they have both animals in their home. Now, how do we use also in a sentence? It usually comes before the main verb. For example, I also eat rice. It can also come after the verb to be. For example, she is also my friend. Remember to place it correctly in your sentence. Let's talk about common mistakes. Some people forget to use also in the right place. Don't say, I eat also rice. Say, I also eat rice. The position matters. Practice the correct way. Remember these important points. First, also means to or in addition. Second, it connects to similar ideas. Third, place it before the main verb. Fourth, use it to make your English sound natural. These tips will help you use also correctly. Use also to add more information when you speak or write. It makes your English richer and clearer. Don't be afraid to practice. The more you use it, the better you will become. Thanks for learning with Wordscience. We hope this lesson helped you understand the word also. Keep watching our channel for more simple English lessons. Subscribe to learn new words every day. Keep practicing also every day. Use it in your conversations. Write sentences with also. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. Good luck with your English learning journey.